University for Natural Resources in Africa. Ene University of Ghana ka won ho abom de kasachre ma mebuno Ghana ne Africa se ene ya be fonim de kwan so technology no so ye be fa so ne de aboa ama yensikasem ene oman kanko akonanim.
United Nations University Institute for Natural Resources and Norway Bibimai Emu, any University of Ghana Kawantuma Buma, other Professor Alexander Dumkopon lectures and a UG Vice Chancellor's occasional lecture series no, she shares so a great hall and no, University of Ghana Siapon Emu, a teacher wa de to so no, na any artificial intelligence and economic growth, no church require, or my Ghana ne Bibimai Nano, ebe to me the artificial intelligence no, Edi Juma, and no Papua, ama wosika seme to me Jinabrane, Abra Manager, Emma Smart SDG City Program Ghana, Hildopoku, Ekasa Wujumedi Naseno, which I say, Eba Nyansa, Nimdie na Honomodia, or my Ghana, will be pa nunti kurano, or shall see AI no wotumu anamo, no wajidi se, ebe to manama no sunteno, apomodin semo my mono, ebe to me Jinabrane, Ebana disuan sem, ewon krasia hodrono susuna, and also be to me akoneni.
As long as you have access to information and education, you can do anything. And some of the global developments have actually come out of Ghana. Like in the fintech business you are leading. I mentioned agriculture, where there is unlimited possibilities. Same in healthcare, and especially think that for healthcare and education, to keep people also in remote areas, in the rural areas, AI can be of a huge help.
Enwechi, German mino abai anamsini, yo my Ghana emo, Daniel Crew, and so called the trust to say. Na by any yedu bit me bia, said a beya, what them wabemo my Ghana, artificial intelligence, or more de hunkomono emo, and nunteno, or shani mo say, ubet me dem wa, ama African Institute for Mathematical Studies, ya won susu mono, only say benamino, or montia seo AI ni mono, ebekon name nabwa, amem puntu, etimiabo my Ghana, any baby mine in nemo.
More focused in the field of artificial intelligence is probably our support for the African Institute for Mathematical Studies. This is an institute where students from all over the continent are coming to Ghana and get here their bachelor and master.